What is up, guys? Today we will be talking about how you guys can open a trade in Metatrader 4. The process is pretty simple. For that, you simply have to open up your Metatrader 4, and in the Metatrader 4, you have to go to your new order section. Just clicking on new order will open up this window. Now here you just have to select what type of trade you want to open and what are the details you want to put into that trade. First thing first, you just have to select the symbol. After selecting the symbol, you just have to select the volume. The volume is number of transactions that will be happening during the trade. And then you have to enter or set up the stop loss. Now, after setting the stop loss and take profit thing, it totally depends upon you, whatever you want to go settings with. After that, you simply have to add comment. It totally depends upon you if you want to add comment or not. And then in the type, you just have to select market execution. After selecting that, there are two options. First things first, sell by market or buy by market. Now, it totally depends upon you, however you want to open the trade in. Just select the option according to you, and there you go. Your trade will be opened up in MetaTrader 4. Hope you guys find this video helpful.